Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we're going to make a trendy bubble gown with two stripe tone of ashoke fabric at the middle. As you can see, I'm trying to take the first measurement from the shoulder. Before that, you just have to fold your fabric into the two different fabric you have to fold it into two and place them together, so the and each of the fabric is 1.5 yards, and so both are 3 yards. And the shoulder measurement we are working with today is 17 inches, so multiplied by 2, we have 8.5 on the shoulder. And you have 3 inches to it of 3.5. And the armhole that I'm measuring now is 9 to 10 inches. Take your normal measurement from armhole, then you have 2 inches to 2 to 3 inches to it because it's a free dress. Then you put the measurements level points 7, then you add 3 inches to it, or you can add 4 inches. Then you take the measurement down, go to the any part and take whatever you have from the hips here, then you add 3 inches, then you take it from the down part. Okay, so we have 15 plus 1 inch because we're going to have 4 points. And the full length of this gown is 55, and you can add 3 to 4 inches for the hemming. That's it. So the front neck depth, take whatever you have, your normal neck depth. I take 3.5 here, then I take 10 inches from the front. So you cut the neck, back neckline, you take 1 inch or 1.5. So I take 1 inch, connect the point to the 3 inches. I take the 3.5 inches. I take there. So I'll connect it to it there. So we got the front. As I join it together, let me show you one thing. From the sleeve, whatever you have from the shoulder, you take it to the bust part. Then you just minus 1 inch off like this. So we have like 22.5. So 22.5, we have to take 1 inch or so, we have 21.5. Okay, 21.5. So now I have to like go in like 1 inch, then we'll cover it from the bust so that no sharp, then we'll cut. So I have to cut one part first. Then we cut it down. So the front, you have to take one off. So I cut it. Now that's how I'm going to do it. You have to cut the front first. So I just cut here. minutes. So this is the front and back. Okay. Cut the front. So just cut this. So this to cut together first. Have to so with half an inch. So we do this back together because I have to cut this fabric into two because it's joined together, so I have to cut it and take different section of it. So now I'm going to sew this middle parts and I'll be right back. So the right side faces the wrong side of this bubble of the gown. So we now run a stitch like this. So after that we now turn it like this. So we run a stitch. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll first run this stitch first like this from the middle to the hemming side. So I'm going to start from the middle to the hemming part. So when you get to where we put the 10 inches front slit, then don't go to, you can't follow the slit, just go straight and like this. So you sew it to the end. 2.5 inches left. So if you know you don't have enough fabric like this, you can just turn the seam. So guys, you know that we did the right side of this ashoke. We sew it on the wrong side of the main fabric. So after that, you see, you now turn the seam in, then you fold inch to sew it to the hemming, to the down hemming part. Or if you don't have enough fabric to fold like this, so you just have to put this like this, because if I put it like this to sew everything, it's going to be too, I think it's going to be too wide. So I'm going to have like 3 inches, but I want it to be like 2.5 inches. So when you fold 1/2 inch in, then you have 2.5. Okay, so this is how I'm going to, I've used pin to hold it. And when you are sewing it around, make sure that you look at from this side so that it will not sew, you will not sew on the fabric. So you just have to follow the same line and sew on it. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to be very careful to follow the same line. So I'm going to sew everything to the hemming part of the dress. Okay, so after that I'm going to show you how we're going to do the front finishing part. So guys, now so I need to turn this like one each, then I'll stitch it on. Okay, this will take like 10 inch. So guys, this is the end of the video, and just need to return it its sleeves, turn it like 1 inch, so sew it round. And this is the back. So you have to give it proper iron, just about 15 inches. Just about 15 inches. So you fold it into 4. Okay, this is the first time watching my video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.